5th, he did not show. In July 21st, he did not show.
I guess I want to know with regard to community service, obviously what has he done out of any of it, if any?
Your Honor, in cause number 16-24053, he has completed 169 hours out of the originally assessed 300,
Okay.
which leaves him with 131. He last performed community service on April 4th of this year. He worked with our work crew at my Beaumont office. He has not performed any of the community service in either of the other two cause numbers.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Kimler?
Shouldn't the community service be concurrent in all three of the cases? In other words, the community service that he's done in one case should transfer and be credited against community service for all the other cases?
It is, yes, sir, correct.
So he would have 169 hours in each of the three cases?
Yes.
Correct? Is that right?
Yes.
And is that so even though he was already on probation on one and then we gave him probation on two after that?
It is typically how we do that, Your Honor. We typically will give them credit for community supervision on any of the cases they're doing for us, regardless of when they started supervision.
Community service.
Yes. Sorry.
May I proceed, John?
Yeah.
How long have you supervised, Mr. Patton?
So I'm a unit supervisor at our department. I've seen Mr. Perez on numerous occasions for administrative hearings, case staffings, and when I've held down a caseload when we've been in between officers.
But you have some familiarity with him.
I do, yes, sir.
And during the times that you supervised him directly, has he maintained proper demeanor with him?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Proper decorum, all those things?
That is correct, yes, sir.
And should he be continuing on probation, you would not be the supervising officer, that would be someone else, is that right?
That is correct. I would not be supervising him.
Well, let's say, I suppose you acted as a supervising officer at some point in your career at the probation department, is that right?
That is correct, yes, sir.
Assuming, let's just speak hypothetically, if you were a supervising officer again, would there be anything about Mr. Paredes that would cause concern to continue to supervise him as far as his demeanor and decorum and attitude towards the probation department or personnel?
Hypothetically, no, not concerning those items.
Who was his supervising officer?
His supervising officer was Alexandra Ariano. Ms. Ariano went out on maternity leave and elected to stay home with her child. And so we've since filled that vacancy with a new officer.
Okay. But she was the one that was, I guess, directly supervising.
That is correct, yes, sir.
You have access to her records, is that right?
I do, yes, sir.
Is there any indications in there about some type of mental health referral